Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn an ordinary photo into a cool portrait style elegant photo with a Doberman concept. It's all using Twinface app. It's quick, stylish, and perfect if you want that luxury vibes in your portrait edits. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Twinface app. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Play Store and then just install it. And once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Twinface will offer a free plan that will give you weekly credits and a few daily image generations, so you can totally try this out for free. Next, when you log in, you will be on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters. This is where this is where all the magic happens. You will see tons of filters options on here. And then next on the new articles, this one, just search for just find letter elegance. This one, just tap on it. This filter that will give your photo that premium portrait look with soft black and white tones, elegant lighting, and a stylish Doberman companion beside you. Next, just select the photo from your gallery that you want to transform. And then make sure your face is clearly visible for the best result. And after that, just tap on animate, this one. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, Dreamface will process your image and turn into a stunning, elegant portrait like this. Just look at this, your new letter elegance Doberman portrait is ready. Next, you can save it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.